Lochinvar water heaters are equipped with reset buttons that serve as crucial safety mechanisms. These buttons automatically trip when the water heater overheats, interrupting operation to prevent damage or potential hazards. The reset button is typically located within the electrical controls compartment of your water heater. You'll often find it inside a gray box or behind a panel that may require removing a foam cover to access. Let's look at a real example. Here's an actual Lochinvar water heater control panel showing the reset button and other important components. For FVR gas water heaters, which stands for Flammable Vapor Ignition Resistant, the reset button has a specific location. It's found in the center of the thermal switch, positioned between the terminals. Here's another real example showing a Honeywell gas control valve commonly found on Lochinvar water heaters. Notice the highlighted connection point and the control features. The reset button's primary function is safety protection. When the water heater overheats, the high temperature limit switch activates, causing the reset button to trip and interrupt operation. This prevents potential damage to the unit or safety hazards. Important safety note: before resetting the button, it's essential to identify and correct the cause of the overheating. Simply resetting without addressing the underlying issue could lead to recurrence and potential safety risks. Before resetting your Lochinvar water heater, safety is the top priority. Always turn off the power to the unit first. Next, locate the reset button on your water heater's control panel. The reset button is typically red and clearly marked. Press the reset button firmly. You should hear a distinct click sound when the button is properly engaged. After pressing the reset button, turn the power back on and carefully monitor the water heater to ensure it functions correctly. If the water heater trips the reset button again, this indicates a more significant underlying issue that requires professional attention. Error codes like E12 can provide valuable diagnostic information. Always consult your user manual to understand what specific error codes mean. Regular maintenance can help prevent issues that lead to the need for resetting. This includes flushing the tank, inspecting the temperature and pressure relief valve, and checking the magnesium anode.